In this video, I'm going to go over these Extremus RhinoToe protective hunting boots. So this brand right here, I've actually had several products from this brand. I had a kind of like a waiter's outfit that I had of these, and I was very impressed with them, everybody. So I went ahead and picked up a pair of their hunting boots right here, and let me just go over these things and show you. So these are 100% waterproof. They have neoprene liner right up here. They have the locking mechanism back here that I liked on my other ones where I could pull them around, gets tight. You can see right there. I got mine in a size 9, and I think they fit very true to size. I don't see any issues on that at all. The tread pattern on the bottom has the reverse tread right there for the heel for going down, and then the front tread is angled slightly. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see there's a slight angle to that tread for going uphill. There is a metal shank running down these things, so and that's hard as a rock right there. That's very impressive. Has a little kick tab right here for taking them on and off. But here's the one thing that I'm really impressed with. So that has a protective toe right there that is very strong. So if you hit your foot on a boot or you drop something on it, you're not going to break your toe, which is always a plus. Has the Extremus logo on the side right there. I put these on. They were very comfortable. I don't see any issues. I jumped around, kind of kicked on some rocks. I think these are a great option for anyone that's just looking for a really good, like maybe protective hunting boot. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Extremus work/hunting boot. See y'all in the next video.